Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Maryam Mukhtar and I'm from the Department of BS Chemistry. My ID is 004 and this is the topic of the organic chemistry. So I'm going to talk about the five named reaction. I have told the Marvin-Pondov-Verler relation earlier. Now I'm going to talk about in the second reaction, which is Balz-Schiemann reaction. So what is Balz-Schiemann reactions? It was named after Gunther Balz, and this is the reaction type of substitution reaction. And its identifiers are organic chemistry portals, Balz-Schiemann reaction. So Balz-Schiemann reaction is also known as Schiemann reactions. This reaction includes the basically primary aromatic amine is transferred to an aryl fluoride via a diazonium tetrafluoroborate intermediate. The traditional route is of this reaction is to fluorobenzene and some related derivative including 4-fluorobenzoic acid. So I'm going to talk about in the mechanism of the Balz-Schiemann reaction. In the first steps, there is the formation of the nitrous soil cation by the dehydration of the nitrous acid. This is the nitrous acid, and there is a dehydration of the nitrous acid so that we can get the nitrous soil cation. And in the second step, we're going to talk about the aryl amine, which is exposed to the nitrous soil cation. And after that, we undergo a dehydration and there is a tautomerization. And the aryl amide yield to the aryl diazonium salt. This is uh, diazonium ion. And the third step, there is addition of the fluoroboric acid to the aryl diazonium salt and subsequent addition of the energy finally give the aryl fluoride diazonium tetrafluoroborate intermediate stage. So we get the aryl fluoride, the product from our various amine. The counter ion, then the other tetrafluoroborate can be used as well. For example, hexafluorophosphate, hexafluoroantimonades. The counter ion can also improve the yield for some substrate. So I'm going to talk about the aryl fluoride. Aryl fluoride can easily be prepared by the Balz-Schiemann reaction. It provides difficult to prepare the aryl fluoride by the direct fluorination of the aromatic hydrocarbons due to the violent nature of the reaction and the difficulty to control the reaction, making the Balz-Schiemann reaction method the preferred way to get the aryl fluoride. It is also preferred the way for some derivative of the fluorobenzene, 4-fluorobenzene benzoic acid, for example. However, large scale of the thermal decomposition of the diazonium salt can lead to the explosion. Now I'm going to talk about the applications of the Balz-Schiemann reaction. These applications include the greener approach for the preparation of the fluoroaromatic by dissociation of the aromatic amines, followed by the thermal decomposition of the derived from the tetrafluoroborate in the ionic compound has been developed. The advantage of this procedure are simplicity of the reaction. There is no workshop. There is high purity of product, safer process, low waste effluent, commercially processed, recyclability of the ionic liquids.